Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So, because there's so many videos today, I'm going to try to consolidate as best as I can. And lucky me, our team is so amazing that we actually have like multiple releases on the same product on the same day, so I can do that. So, let's start with workflows, ladies and gentlemen. So, there's some bug fixes here. You can read about the bug fixes. Read. Awesome. Moving on. Now, enhancements. We added a new field called websites as an option for the create update contact field. So, for those, somebody pointed this out, I think recently. Hey, where's the website field for the contacts? Well, guess what? Now it's there. Awesome. That's amazing. Okay, don't read these other updates. They're going to come in the other videos. Moving on. Okay, workflow enhancements. Check this out. Google Sheets lookup action. So we have the ability to look up a row, but now we have the ability to create the row on lookup failure, which is cool, right? So basically you're saying, listen, look to see if this row exists, and if not, go ahead and create a new row, right? So that's kind of what it's like. I think they call it like an upsert in the API world. But anyways, point is, that's a cool addition to that. Important, this action will be logged and charged separately. Therefore, when we don't find the lookup and we create the row, that's 2 billing charges, not one. Just heads up to that. The inputs are the same as the create row. And then, of course, there are the docs that you can check out in help that are available. And let's look at this. Let's look at the screenshot here. So you can see this is a create new spreadsheet row. If it doesn't exist, it's a checkbox. You can look at this. Really great job. I think that'll be very useful to those of you who are using this or would like to use it, but we're missing that, right? Some more bug fixes. Check that out when you get a chance. So that is amazing. And is there anything else? Oh, no, don't pay attention. Oh, no, we're good. Those are all the workflow stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.